Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change homepage image on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once in your Shopify admin page, you are going to go down to the bottom left hand corner and you are going to select online store. After selecting online store, you will be redirected to the themes page, and from here you are going to select customize beside the theme that you are currently using. So once this loads up, I'm going to select customize. So you are going to scroll down, select customize, then you will be redirected to this page. And from here, once you're on your home page, you are going to tap on the current image. After selecting the image, you will see a menu option pop up on the left hand corner. And you are going to select change right below cover image. Then you are going to tap on select image. And from here you can either upload an image from your gallery or you can tap on free images and you can select the image that you would like to use. For example, right here. Then tap on the particular image that you would like to use. Then tap on select. Once you have selected the image, as you can see right there, you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.